So, what is up guys? It's Ledu back at it again. And today's video is gonna be installing my CMC. Well, this is unexpected. I was just working on my car yesterday, trying to bleed my clutch. Then all of a sudden, I lost all the pressure from my clutch pedal. Well, actually, it was working perfectly fine, and then I adjusted my coilovers and set it to the height I want, and I'm like, all right, let's test drive the car because we already did the clutch, we already bleed the clutch and it was fine. So now we gotta test drive the car, and then I step on my clutch and I'm like, it feels soft. So then I checked under the hood looking for a leak. I'm like, this is so weird. And then I find this spot leaking over here on my slave cylinder. So it's kind of dry now compared to yesterday. Yesterday was leaking bad, and I'm just like, okay, another problem came out. So, and then I asked around. People told me that it's common for the 8 gen to, especially the slave cylinder, it's common problem. I'm like, oh, okay. I'm glad that this happened now, done on my dyno day, because that's gonna be. So anyways, I don't know if I can just stick a 12 mil and extension and work from here, or I need to take my intake off so I have more space to work underneath, because I can see that there's a line. I don't know if you guys can see that line, but yep, that's the line. I'm gonna have to remove, and it's gonna be all the way back to where I show you guys. So I'm gonna get it started and let's get it. So just an update, I already took this one out, and then this one we already take the clutch master cylinder out, and I guess we're just gonna work this one out, fish it where it's going to. I don't know if I need to take this one off or I can just fish it through here, but we'll see. Anyways, so after removing all those, we're gonna move into the car. We're going to go we are going to take this one out. I believe this is 17. So unplug this two connector, this gray and yellow, and then this one 17, and then we're gonna unbolt those. That's the slave cylinder, and then that's basically it. Also guys, this pin is located over here, like behind this metal thing, and you just need to like wiggle it to take it out, and then it should, we can probably push this now. So here it is. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this goes obviously here. It goes like that, and then you just need to like wiggle it, and then we just need to take this bolt out. I believe that's 12, and then let's get it. So we're just gonna push this slave cylinder back there, and we'll fish it on the other side. So I will try to put my camera inside, but I don't think so. It's gonna be hard. So I don't know if I can show you guys, or you guys, I don't know if you guys can see it from there. I'll try to push this slave cylinder, and you'll see where it's coming. You'll see where the leak is coming from. You see that? It's leaking. It's dripping. So now we've found the problem. Alright, so there she is. It's not bad. I end up cutting the lines off because I'm too lazy to remove the ECU, but I'm not gonna need it anyway, so I'm just gonna cut it off, save my time. And now we're just gonna wait for the new CMC. So we're back, guys. Shout out to Cody for hooking me up. Thankfully got a spare CMC. It's hybrid racing, so it should work. And let's get this installed before it gets dark. So the installation is gonna be just the same as how we removed it. So I'm just gonna line it up, and I'll show you once it's in there.
The next day.
Hold.
Pump it.
Hold.
How's that starting to feel?
The brake pedal's still not going back.
The clutch pedal?
Yeah.
We'll pump it.
Okay, it go back now.
Is that feeling kind of normal?
Yeah, just like before.
Okay, hold it.
Holding.
Pump it.
Hold.
Pump.
Hold.
Pump it.
Hold.
Keep pumping.
Hold.
Pump it.
So after a few pumps of the clutch pedal, it went back from where I wanted to. Thanks for the help, Kyle. Shout out. And yeah. It's been helping me out to bleed the system, and of Of course, after a few pumps, like I said, it went back to normal the way I wanted to. And yeah, it just saved me a lot of money for not replacing my clutch. So I'd say if you're having the same issue like me, I cannot shift, I cannot put it on first. Well, I can, but I have to like put force to like put it on first, and it won't go on second until I rev it a couple times. So yeah, just like giving me a hard time to drive it. And then that's where I thought it was a clutch. And then I asked around, they told me to check my CMC first before replacing my clutch. And bingo, I got it. Thanks for the help, guys, because it literally just saved me a lot of money for not replacing my clutch. So thank you guys for helping me out. And the car is back on the road. It drives fine. It drives amazing, of course. So I'm glad it's back. So probably the next video is gonna be my dyno day. I hope so. It's gonna be on the 29th. And I think that's it. Yeah, so see you on my next video. I hope that's gonna be the dyno day, and peace.